Candy Tobias with Devoted to Travel, and we are going to talk about what you can do in San Juan on your own. Now, we've been to San Juan numerous times, and we actually didn't find this walk until fairly recently. There's a great walk you can do along the shore. Now, you have two options when you get to San Juan, especially when you're cruising in. You can take the walkway along the coast first and you will end at the fort, or you can walk through town, take your time, kind of do some shopping, walk up to the fort, and you do not have to pay to go into the fort. You actually pick up the walkway on the right-hand side. There's stairs that go along the outside and the back of the fort, and then take the walkway all the way back along the water. This is what we tend to do. But I will caution you, if it's a really hot day and in the mid-afternoon, the second part of that walk going back is in the direct sun and it can become quite hot. So you just got to kind of figure out if you'd like to do the walk first. Then you'll be walking upstairs. Just so you know, when you get to the fort, you'll be going up a set of stairs. You would come out in front of the fort and then you can go through town. So let me kind of explain step by step how you can get on the path. So when you walk out of the ship, you're going to go to the left. And if you look to the left, you'll see vendors you're going to be walking alongside. There is a pink building. It's pretty hard to miss. Just head towards the bright pink building. When you come out to the left, you will see the sign or lettering that says Boricua, which is slang for a Puerto Rican person. People often take pictures in front of this, but you can't miss it. So head towards that sign. You'll see the pink building. Now I'll give you both options. It's pretty easy if you want to walk along the water first. Just stay low. And you're going to walk towards the flags. You may have seen them when you were sailing in. It's kind of like a central point. But if you stay low along the walkway, so you're not going to head up the hill, that'll take you right along the water to catch the path to the fort. So here's a picture of the kind of, it's a longer road. You'll be able to see that. And again, once you hit like the flags, you know you're on the right track. You'll then take that walkway all the way to the fort and you will be climbing upstairs. It ends at the fort, so you can't get lost. If you decide to walk through town, you can just walk straight up through town, or another way that I like to go is up on top of the wall, because you're still looking at the water and the coast. So if you're not interested in even going into town, or you already walked into town, you can get a really beautiful view by taking a walk along the wall. So when you get to the pink building, you're going to turn and you will see like a walkway with like a green overhang or kind of awning. You can follow that up. So just head straight up, and then to your left, you'll see this street. I'm probably not going to say it right, Tizol, Tizol, and you can tell it's heading uphill. So as you walk up there, there's a little bit of a kind of a, I'm going to say, park. You'll get to the top, you'll be able to see the water below, and you just follow that right along the outer wall. You will see a lot of feral cats, just so you know. There's even like a little building where they take care of the cats, and you can make donations if you're, but that'll lead you up to the side entrance of the fort. You'll walk up that hill to the fort. Now, here's the tricky part. If you're going to the fort, whether you walk through town or walk along the wall, it's finding the entrance to get down to the wall. So if you're standing in front of the fort as though you were going in, go to the right. Just follow it along. There's kind of like a kneeler wall, and you'll see stairs going down, and then there's like an open doorway. So when you see that open doorway, that's what you're going to walk through. And you'll already be able to see the water. You'll start seeing stairs that you're going to walk down. It's going to take you all the way down to the water's edge. You'll see all of the rocks. It's really quite a beautiful view. And just know if you start following this pathway down, it's going to circle all the way around back towards the boat. So you can decide how far you want to walk. Now, if you take this way, you're walking that road back that I pointed out that would have taken you to the wall from the beginning. There's a nice little restaurant if you want to stop for a drink. We stopped there, had just kind of some water and a cocktail. It was nice to kind of sit. They often have on this street different events set up. So I wouldn't be surprised if you catch some kind of event or if they have little stands that they're selling things, but that'll take you right back to the ship. So I hope you enjoy a stay in Puerto Rico. If you've been there numerous times and you're looking for something new to do, or even if it's your first time, it's a nice way to do something on your own. You can enjoy downtown area. We always stop for somewhere to eat. Lots of great restaurants in Old San Juan. The fish is fantastic. That's usually what we gravitate towards. Ceviche, all different pieces. So enjoy. Cheers. And we'll talk again soon.